Up for sale, I got a 1956 Bel Air hardtop, no post, finished in Onyx black with Crocus yellow, both 56 original colors. Upgraded to a 283 and a 700 R4 automatic with power brakes. I'm going to walk around it, tell you a little bit more about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. So if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. So, like I said, 1956 Bel Air. It is a sport coupe, the most desirable model, with Onyx black and Crocus yellow, like I said. Previously collection owned in Alabama. The body is straight as an arrow, rust free. Looks to be a relatively newer chrome bumper here. Couple marks on it, nothing too bad. All the chrome and trim on the car is in very nice condition. Goodyear white walls. Fully detailed undercarriage. And you see a little bit of white there, a little bit of the leftover buffing residue compound that I didn't get out yet. Excuse me. Little scratch right there. It has excellent glass all the way around, all tinted as well. Top of the car finished in the beautiful Crocus yellow is in excellent condition, as well as this rear back window. Factory type interior, also in the same combination as the outside, as well as the bench seats, which are in excellent condition nonetheless. No rips, no tears, no seams breaking, no busting. And a very nice dash. No radio, and I have a brand new, because you know they must have cut that out. I have a brand new piece, as well as these brand new pieces because it comes together. So that's included, as well as the radio that came out of there. And a beautiful headliner. Jesus. Little chip in the bumper. I have a little chip right there. Another little mark right there, and a little crack in the paint right there. There's no checking on the paint, just a couple of cracks and a couple of chips. Then I'm going to point out more. The trunk compartment is finished, the proper trunk mat, and in the Crocus yellow color as well. Back bumper is in real nice condition. There's just a couple little marks of pitting right there, and a little one right there, and then a couple more marks right there. Looks like the bumper rubbed up on it at one point. Oh, and then another little crack in the paint right there. Another chip right there. Noticeably, the majority of the flaws are right in this back region of the car. So like I said, it is powered by a 283, so it is upgraded from what would have been its factory 265 motor. Another little chip right there. And then the 700 R4 automatic, a nice combination. with power brakes, so it's got that nice braking capability. Again, all the trim, very nice. The tinted glass and this beautiful top of the car. Not a flaw on here. So, pop open this door. Look in here, real nice. Looks like a little seam busted here, or like when they lined it up. That's a little loose. And this little piece of trim is just not connected properly. Other than that, you know, the rest of the interior is very nice. Again, like I said, not a rip on the seat. Headliner's gorgeous. Carpet's very nice. And the dash is very nice too. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. You can check them out. If you're interested, reach out to us. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. You know, our showroom is closed right now due to the coronavirus going on, COVID-19. You know, don't really want people coming in. So, do whatever I can to provide accurate information to you. And like I said, please let us know if you are interested. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you. Here we go. We got the 283, the power brakes. Gonna start it up now.